How do you deal with rejection in sports? You have to get comfortable with it. But let me take it a step further. Rejection is data. Think about it like sales. It's a feedback and numbers game. If you're getting consistent pushback, you don't just assume you suck or you're not enough, because you are. You need to review your messaging, your targeting, your tone, and then adjust. Believe that momentum matters, effort compounds over time. Embrace the challenge of figuring out why something didn't land, and keep adjusting until it does. I got asked this twice in the last 24 hours. How do you handle with the mental side of rejection? Honestly, I work on myself every day and I still do. Journaling helps. It helps me process what I'm feeling and why. But what helps even more is community. Leaning on people who actually get it, people who have been rejected, ghosted, told no, and are still showing up anyways. That's what I built this for. If you want that kind of support, comment bench and I'll send you access to our community.